And welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to do a quick review of Wise virtual card. We want to review the strengths and the limitations. So let's get started. You see, as global spending and digital commerce accelerates, virtual cards are becoming indispensable tools for freelancers, travelers, and online businesses. Among the most popular choices is TransferWise, which is now known as the Wise Virtual Card. Wise Virtual Card has earned a reputation for its real-time exchange rates and multi-currency convenience. But the question is it the right solution for every payment scenario, especially for digital ads, SaaS platforms, or crypto-funded workflows? In this review, we unpack Wise's core features, best fit use cases, and where it might not be enough. So, let's start with the core features of the Wise virtual card. The Wise virtual cards are linked to your Wise multi-currency account. These are purely digital cards that provide a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code for online use. The key highlights are it supports 50 plus currency balances. It has real-time mid-market exchange rates. You can freeze or replace card instantly via app, and it has up to 3 active virtual cards per account. This makes Wise particularly appealing for personal finance users who need to manage payments in multiple currencies. Let's look at the best use cases, that is, who should use Wise. If you're an international freelancer and traveler, Wise shines when it comes to minimizing FX conversion costs. The card is best suited for remote work earning and spending in different currencies. So if you're a remote worker, it's great for you. It's also great for digital nomads that are booking across global services. It's good for customers, that is, consumers shopping on international e-commerce sites. Now, let's talk about the payment security. It has enhanced payment security because you can freeze or delete cards instantly, reducing risks from compromised platforms or one-time payments. Where does Wise fall short? Despite its strengths, the Wise virtual card comes with important limitations. One of which is that it is not accepted by many ad platforms, for example, TikTok ads, Meta ads, and Google ads. 2. It requires full KYC. All users must complete full identity verification before the card will be issued to you. 3. It has no support whatsoever for crypto top-ups, so it limits the use for Web3, blockchain, or stablecoin, that is stablecoin native payments. These constraints makes Wise less ideal for marketers, SaaS developers, and crypto-powered teams that value speed, flexibility, and anonymous testing. So that's it about Wise. Hope you found this video helpful.